These indigenous communities in Mexico are turning a desert into a forest. Over the last 20 years, indigenous members of the Chocho Mixtecas Community Alliance in Oaxaca, Mexico, have worked to restore around 49,000 acres of land into booming forest. The land in the municipality of San Juan Bautista, Oaxaca, once had enough water, wildlife, and fertile soil for crops to support an entire culture that lived in the area. But centuries of overgrazing and erosion changed the area's soil so much that it was unable to sustain vegetation or retain rainwater. Efforts to restore the land first began in the 1970s with a government reforestation campaign that would guarantee water collection in the Papalopan River Basin. Although the campaign failed, communities continued to work to restore the land. After years of work, indigenous communities found a solution in planting Greg's pine trees, a type of tree that's able to grow fast even in poor soil and warm climates. The communities received backlash for using Greg's pines and not an endemic species instead. But Greg's pines have been able to restore the soil, unlike endemic species that have died after being planted. Even though Greg's pines haven't reproduced, the restoration has been a success so far, and the Alliance is now looking ahead to figure out what to do next in terms of restoration.